Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel Learn Français. To understand this video better, I request you to watch our previous video and then continue watching this. Thank you. Also, don't forget to watch this video till the end because as you know, the best things comes in the end. In this video, we are going to tell you about the two ways in which you, it, we and they are said in French. So let's start. Moving on, c'est parti! As I've already told you, there are two different ways to use the word you in French. The word tu means you in English. It is used for informal conversations and for singular person. For example, you can use it with a person younger than you or who has the same age as yours, like your friends, and of course in any other formal context. Vous also means you in English. It is used in formal context and conversations. It can be used for singular or plural persons. For example, a teacher addressing the class in French will use vous because it's formal and plural. Or the teacher can also use vous to address his or her senior teachers, which gives you an example of informal conversations and singular person. Moving on to our next slide. There are two different ways to use the word it in French. The word il means it and he in English. It is used for masculine nouns only, which include both things and beings. Elle means she or it in English. It is used for feminine nouns only, which include both things and beings. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now, there are two different ways to use the word we in French. The first way is on, O-N-O. It uses the same conjugation of the verb as used by il or elle. It uses the singular verb conjugations. It has some more uses which we will discuss later in our next video. The second way of saying we in French is nous, N-O-U-S, nous. It simply means we and it follows a plural verb conjugation. For example, nous allons au cinéma. On va au cinéma. Both means the same, that is, we go to the cinema. Now, there are two different ways to use the word they in French. Il is used to say they in French. ILS is pronounced as il and not ils. It is used to indicate masculine plural nouns or mixed gender nouns to address both male and female. Elle is used to say they in French. It is used only to address the feminine plural nouns. This can be clear with an example. So here it is. If there are both boys and girls in a class, then the teacher will use ils sont étudiants. That means they are students. If there is a class of only girls, then the teacher says elles sont étudiantes. That means they are students. Thank you guys for watching this video. Also, I would like to inform everyone that we provide free French workshop once a week. So, to register yourself for the free French workshop, kindly fill the form which is in the description box below. We'll contact you soon. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updated to our latest videos. Thank you.